Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the present chart of EURJPY. Okay, as we all know, EURJPY was in beautiful uptrend, and after that, the chart crashed a little and is going up again. So, okay. So let me show you the overall picture. This is the overall picture of EURJPY. It was very beautiful. The chart was very beautiful. It was in an uptrend, clean uptrend, taking support at the 50 moving average all the time. It was like a fairy tale. It was magical. But the magic is over now. Okay, but the magic is over now when market crossed the support. When market crosses support, and but luckily market took support again here and going up again. Okay. So if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you have already short the market and you're in a good profit right now, because I already showed you in my previous videos that though market was in going uptrend, okay, market was very much bullish, but market has resistance on the weekly chart. Can you see that in 15th March? You can see that market tried to cross the daily resistance, but market failed and it came down. And this week also market tried to cross the daily resistance at this level, but market failed again. Okay, due to heavy selling pressure from above, market failed again. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, means that someone or some sellers are sitting at this level who are not allowing the market to go up. So I told you that when market will reach this level, and if you spot good reversal from here, you can short the market. And hopefully you have short the market watching my yesterday's video and you're in a good profit right now. If you're in a profit right now, then carry on with your trade. And if you are looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh window, then you'll have to wait a little, because see, market has already reversed from here, and if you enter here, this will be your stop loss, and market is in oversold zone. So things do not add up right now. You'll have to wait again. Okay, you'll have to wait again. At least you'll have to wait for the market to go up at least to the overbought zone. When market will be in overbought zone and it will be going down again, then you can think of short term market. Or if market reverses from here, okay, if market reverses from here, then it will go up again to this particular resistance, because the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, so if you're in a profit right now, then go on with your trade. Once you spot the reversal, or if market takes support at the 50 moving average and bounces from there, just exit from the trade. Okay, and on the other hand, if you're looking for a fresh opportunity, wait for the market or stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone, and when it will be going down, you can enter again, or wait for the market to go up again and reach this resistance zone, because this is a resistance. Though this is a resistance, market is an uptrend, so market will be going up again to test the resistance again. Market will try to break the resistance again. So when market will be trying to break the resistance, you can short the market again if it reverses. Okay, but first and foremost, you just need to observe the market right now. So when market will be in this level, observe the price. If it reverses, short the market again. If it crosses the level, you can go for a buy order. But do remember, you need the confirmation. If market crosses the level, wait for 3 to 4 hours and observe the price. If you see that price is doing great, price is trading comfortably above this level for 3 to 4 hours, that means the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for a buy order above this level. If market reverses from here, then you can short the market. As of now, wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone, and then you can execute your trade accordingly. Okay. As of now, this is if you have short term market right now, then you're doing great, and if you're looking for a fresh opportunity, then you'll have to wait a little. That's it. Hopefully you've understood the reason and logic behind it, because right now the risk to reward ratio does not match at all. This is it. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.